Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get Instagram notes on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to access your Instagram interface, and when you're inside the Instagram interface, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen, and inside that screen, you'll be able to see your profile tab. So you just have to click on your profile tab, and inside the profile tab, right above your profile picture, you will be able to see notes. So you can just click on that notes and you can just write the things and you will be able to share the notes. And there is another way for you to get the notes on Instagram, that is by looking on the left hand side. Once more, there will be message tab. So you can just click on the message tab, and when you're inside the message tab, again you will be able to see your note right above your profile picture. You can just click on the note and you will be able to write the note that you want, and you will be able to share it by clicking on the share button that is on the top right hand side. So this is how to get Instagram notes on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.